Hello students of class 7 Rose and Jasmine, myself Priyanka Ghosh and welcome back to our KPS online GK classes. Today we will start our unit 2 portions and everybody take out your book and open the page number is 35. So unit 5 go global. Okay, so let's start. Okay students, let's start unit 5 go global. Okay, so astonishing facts. See, theocracy means a type of government in which a system of governance is composed of religious institution. Please underline this portion. Theocracy means a type of government in which a system of governance is composed of religious institution. The citizens who are crazy have been right to governor. The Vatican and many Islamic countries are historically considered theocracies. Okay. So what is the meaning of crazy? Crazy means the people who perform religious ceremonies in the Christian church. Okay. Okay. Crazy means the people who perform religious ceremonies in the Christian church. Okay, next. There are 5 temples in Kyoto, Japan that have blood-stained ceilings. Okay, there are, please underline, 5 temples in Kyoto, Japan that have blood-stained ceilings. The ceilings are made from the floorboards of a castle where warriors killed themselves after a long hold off against an army. To this day, you can still see the outlines and footprints. Okay. Next, French was the official language of England for over 600 years. French was the official language of England for over 600 years. Okay, next. Machu Picchu was built up withstand earthquakes. Machu Picchu is a place, okay, which is located in Peru. So Machu, please underline this portion. Machu Picchu was built of withstand earthquakes. It was built on top of not one but 2 fault lines in the highly seismic Peru region. Okay. The stones were purposely built to withstand an earthquake. In fact, during an earthquake, the stone slabs appeared to be dancing and were designed to fall exactly back into the place afterwards. This is why this amazing landmark was remained so well preserved over the years. Okay. Next, the first televised presidential debate was held on 26 September 1960. Please underline, the first televised presidential debate was held on 26 September 1960. Watch as the then Senator John K. Kennedy takes off incumbent President Nixon, who actually turns down opportunities to refute points made by the opposition. The refute means proved to be wrong or false. Okay, refute means proved to be wrong or false. Okay, so move to the next page. Okay students, please open the page number 36. Wonders around the world. everybody we know that there are so many wonders in our world. Okay, so let's start. Look at the picture of some wonders around the world and read their names. Write the names of the countries where they are found. ठीक है, तो let's see. This is number 1. Write Cambodia here. Cambodia, Cambodia. This is a Angkor Wat temple. Okay, this is one of the wonders of our world. This is Angkor Wat temple. Next, number 2 is Turkey. Turkey, Turkey. This is a basically a Roman city. The name of the city is Ephesus. Okay, and this is situated in Turkey. Turkey. Okay. Next, number 3 is Russia. So many wonders in Russia, and this is a lake, Baikal Lake, one of the wonders of Russia. So write here Russia, RUSSIA. ठीक है. Next, number 4 is Jordan. Write Jordan, JORDAN, Jordan. And this is a basically a giant city and carved in with rock. And the name of the city is Petra, right? And this is located in Jordan, JORDAN. Okay, so place of rock. Next, number 5. This is also one of the wonder of world is Mali, MALI. This is Mali. Okay. Next, number 6 is very famous. This is a pyramid. Name is Chichak Itza. And this is a pyramid and situated in Mexico. Okay, MEXICO, Mexico. Okay. Next, number 7 is Sumaya Gorge. Is a World Biosphere Reserve and National Park, and this is located in Greece. Okay, GRECE, Greece, GRECE, Greece. This is a biosphere reserve and a national park. Next, number 8 is this is see the picture. This is one of the famous wonder of the world is monumental statues, and this is located in Chile, CHILE, Chile. Okay, this is located at Chile, CHILE. So I repeat, number 1 is Cambodia, number 2 is Turkey, number 3 is Russia, number 4 is Jordan, number 5 is Mali, number 6 is Mexico, and number 7 is Greece, and number 8 is Chile. Okay, so that's it for today. Everybody take care and bye bye.